Hi guys. Today we're going to be working on fractions beyond a whole. Yesterday when we focused on fractions beyond a whole, we focused on writing them as if it was the numerator and denominator. And now we're going to focus on writing them out as wholes. So what I mean by that. Okay, so yesterday, I'm going to go back and look, just as a quick recap. Yesterday we wrote it as the numerator is 5, so that was the first word, 5, because there were 5 pieces shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces shaded. So that was our numerator. Then our denominator was 2, because there's only 2 total pieces that make up a whole. So it was 5 over 2, which then equaled our 5 halves. But if I were going to write this as today's lesson, we're going to focus on counting the wholes first, and then we count what we have remaining. So here we actually have 1 whole, 2 whole, and then how much do I have left that's shaded? Not both parts are shaded in. So this problem would be written now in our new way. They're both correct, by the way. There's just 2 different ways to write fractions beyond 1 whole. So this one will be written as 2 wholes and 1 half. So let's look at the example I have added to our slides. So I took this one from yesterday, and we know that 1 circle equals 1 whole. So how many holes do we have? Let's first count that. I think we have 1, 2. So I think it is 2 holes, 2 holes. And this is a multi-meaning word here. Holes doesn't mean like the hole in the floor, so that's why it has the W in the front, okay? Just to help you whenever you're writing out your own work. So we have 2 holes. Then after I've written that down and I've collected my thoughts, then I focus on what we have left. Okay, so how many pieces make up a whole here? We know there's 2. So my denominator would be 2. How many are shaded? Just one of them is shaded. So now how could I write that out? So I think it is 2 wholes and 1 half. Oops, sorry. Okay, now let's look over what you guys have to come. Today your example is, so this one's a little different, your color tiles. So it's showing you that 4 color tiles equal 1 hole. So let's count. How many holes do you have? Well, there's 4 tiles, so that makes 1 hole. There's 4 tiles, that makes up 2 holes. So there's 2 holes, and how many is left? And there's only 1 tile there out of the 4. Okay, and your 2 answer options is 2 and 1/4, or is it 9/12? And I want you to think about that. 12ths would be as if there was 12 total to make the whole. And your example of the whole is right here. Now we're going to be going on to your task cards. Just like yesterday, you guys are going to be following the same format. But instead of it just be, it's going to be written as the whole and then the fraction that's remaining, okay? So just remember to count your wholes first and then count the remaining fraction. And then that's how it should be written out. Okay, you guys are going to do awesome today. Remember, you have task cards and a reflection. You also then will have a Google form added right here. I'm so proud of you guys. Keep up the hard work. And remember, today is fractions beyond the whole, counting the whole first, and then counting the remaining fraction that is remaining and writing that out. I'm so proud of you guys. Keep it up. You're going to today.